Hey, afternoon, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. We're out here at Magnolia Tree right now, and we have a nuke here that we put queen cells in a while back, and one of them hatched on the 17th. 17th was a bad day for us. We had wind and cold and rain and stuff. So there was 9 queen cells in here. Supposed to hatch on the 17th. I wasn't able to catch them, and to cut them out, we had bad weather last week. I know I was supposed to cut them out 3 days before, but wasn't able to. I think we might just give them some sugar syrup. Well, we can put this back on. I don't have any sugar syrup made. Because today is the high today was 61. It just got that way a few minutes ago. Well, actually about an hour ago, because I wanted to warm up first. We've had shady, cloudy weather. Right now, the Lord has given us some sunshine. This in here just has a little honey on your right side, on both sides. You don't know exactly where the queen is because I looked at her, looked for her a couple of seconds yesterday, and I saw her the day before yesterday, and I saw her. The day's 19th. This is, yeah, it's got some honey and pollen. Looking good. This is the one that the queen cells are on, because I got red marks here and here and here and here. And there she is, right there, little thing. These are drone cells. This one we don't need. This one didn't need. This one here may have been the one she came out of. This one here has been cut down. This one here was taken away. But she's in there now. We leave her in there for a while. We're supposed to be seeing eggs by the 15th of this month. No, I'm wrong. Hold on, 25th of this month. So by April, we'll have a good little nuke here. We'll put this back down here for right now, and then we'll make them up some sugar syrup. She's down there eating. That's the first queen for this year. And we had our broken brick on there, and now we got a virgin queen, so we put a full brick on hanging over the edge. Hope y'all enjoyed that, but that's the first queen for this year. Hive number 51. Yeah. And we have plenty of drones, so she should mate okay. Y'all have a great one. Bye. Y'all leave us a comment and share. We got some little bees down here on the bottom. Because when the queen was being hatched, I closed it all up. We're going to open it up a little bit later, but not right now. They've got a hole in the back, facing south. So y'all just give us a comment, share, subscribe. Let us know what's going on. I might open that up today. Y'all have a great one. Bye.